Can you hold a fucking light straight?
Line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
Lee, are you sad? No?
You're adopted. Yeah, you're not mine. You're adopted.
What are you looking at? What do you mean it's small? It's not small, you're a dick!
Taco for dog. Are you
You know what? This is the best day of your life, and I'm just gonna let you continue to have it.